Hi everyone, this is Jennifer Serber and this is my third video for 5 new technologies. I came across this app called Toto Math and I really thought it was an adorable app. It's a great app to help young students to grasp and learn mathematic concepts such as addition and subtraction and so on. A little bit about this app is it offers a bunch of fun mini little games, and once you've completed the game or level, you get a ribbon reward. Also with this app, it's really cool because it does have a progress tracker that parents and teachers can use. This app is a free download. There are some in-app purchases that can be made. Again, it is from ages 4 to 9 years old, so that is right there at my target audience of kindergarten through 3rd grade. So I went ahead and pulled up this website for the Toto Math to kind of show you what the application is like. So if you scroll down a ways, first it talks about kind of the awards that they have won. They've won a lot of amazing awards for this application. If you continue to scroll down, here are some of the games. It shows you what the games are like and what the kids will be using on this app. So I thought that was really cool to just kind of see the different games that is offered before you download this app. Also, this application does follow the Common Core standards. So I think this is a great app for teachers to help enhance that teaching of the Common Core state standards within the classroom. Up here also shows the reviews. They have some really great reviews. For the App Store, they get 4 out of 5, and for Google Play, they get 4 out of 5. So it seems that parents and children are really enjoying this app. If you click on Educator, you also have a 60-day free trial. I'm not sure how much it costs after that. But again, if maybe you have an iPad in your classroom, you can just download that app for free and let your kids use it on their iPads. So all in all, I think this is a really cool app to just really help teachers enhance that Common Core mathematics and work on addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. So I just wanted to share this app with you.